In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an eToro API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to generate the key, and what each option means so you can connect your tools with confidence. Start by logging into your eToro account. Use the same login you normally use for trading on the eToro platform. Once you're in, head to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Trading section. That's where eToro keeps features related to market access and integrations. Scroll until you see API Key Management. This area is dedicated to creating and managing the credentials that let external applications talk to your account securely. Click Create New Key to begin. You'll see a short form to fill out. First, give your key a name. This is just a label for you, so choose something that helps you remember what app or purpose this key is for. Next, select the environment. You can choose Real or Demo. Real connects to your live trading environment, while Demo links to your virtual portfolio. If you're testing or integrating for the first time, Demo is the safest option because it lets you practice without risking real funds. Then choose Permissions. Read means the application can view data, such as balances, positions, and market information. Write allows the application to execute trades or make changes. Only select the permissions you genuinely need, and if you're unsure, start with Read and elevate later when you're confident. Click Generate Key. For security, eToro will ask you to verify your identity. They'll send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code to confirm it's really you making the request. This extra step protects your account in case someone else tries to create a key without your knowledge. Once verified, your user key will appear on the screen. This is the credential your application will use to authenticate with eToro on your behalf. Copy it right away and keep it somewhere secure. Treat it like a password and never share it publicly. Alongside the user key, you'll also receive a public API key for your application. The public key identifies your integration, while the user key authorizes access according to the environment and permissions you selected. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Settings and Trading, created a key under API Key Management, set its name, environment, and permissions, generated it, passed verification, and copied both your user key and your public API key. Use the demo environment to test and only grant write access when you're comfortable. Thanks for watching and happy building.